Thank you for watching this video. In this channel, you and I will be reviewing different cars and learn at the same time. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider joining us. If you're a subscriber, please click the like button. Thank you. Hi everybody, this is Ju from SoJooCars and I am here in Suzuki Auto Manila Bay. Yes, again.
Please come to Suzuki Auto Manila Bay.
And I'm going to be reviewing Dzire GA manual transmission. The price is relatively reasonable. It's 549,900 pesos SRP. Again, 549,900 pesos SRP. Before I continue, I would like to give a shout out to Raymond Milan, Victor Torres, Roy Leonard Leonor, Idol Aris, Mariner Chris, Gavin Polilo Cortez, JMGP25 Galano, Astley Sigan, Project EETFK, Kishnell Commission. Thank you for commenting down below for shoutouts. So those who want to have shoutouts, please look out for the next shoutout post. The GA variant of Dzire has 3,995 millimeters of length, 1,735 millimeters of width, 1,515 millimeters of height. Wheelbase is 2,450. Minimum ground clearance is 145 millimeters. The type of engine is K12M. Has 4 cylinders, 16 valves, has 82 horsepower at 6,000 RPM, and 113 Newton meters of torque at 4,200 RPM. This is a manual transmission of 5 speeds. For steering, rack and pinion with power assist, ventilated disc for the front, and drum for the rear. McPherson strut with coil spring for the front suspension, torsion beam with coil spring for the rear. The tire size is 165 80 R14. It goes the same for the fuel tank of 37 liters. There you go. The Dzire comes in 6 colors, but for this variant, you only get silky silver metallic and also pearl arctic white. For other variants, you get premium Oxford blue, premium Sherwood brown, metallic magma gray, and pearl midnight black. So this is how the Dzire looks like with the lights on and the hazard on. It's a halogen type with multi-reflector. There's a place for the fog lamp, but it's blank for this variant. And down here, you have a secondary cladding here to make the car look more 3D. There's also a pointed angle there. There you go. For the front grille, we have horizontal type with chrome Suzuki logo, and also more airways down here for the hook to tow your car. This is how it looks like from the side. Almost looks similar with the Swift. The bonnet has a little curve in there to make it look fatter here. There we go. Windshield wiper nozzles. And there, 2 of them. And here in the rear combination lamp, it looks like this. Reverse light, turn signal, park light, and brake light. We have reflectors, plate lights. This is Dzire, and there's chrome, yellow light, brake light with defoggers, with the antenna. The door handles are in black plastic. The roof has some lines here, some contours on its sides. The side mirror comes in black plastic finish. And the side repeaters are here on the side. There you go. This is how the key looks like. This GA variant doesn't come with a remote key. Let me show you the front door panel. This variant comes with a manual window control. Everything is hard plastic. Even this part is hard plastic. Remember, this is the very basic variant or entry variant of this Dzire. Okay. Step sill with weather sealing. Goes all the way there. Comes with manual seat adjustment. There you go. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. With good bolstering. It's in fabric. Let me show you the fabric. Can I show you the fabric? Yes. There are some patterns with dots. And this is how the dashboard looks like of the Dzire GA variant. Oh, the window is open. That's like one of the cool things. You can open or close the windows whether the engine is on or off. Let me close it. Yes. We see a lot of air vents, air vents, air vent, air vents, air vent. And the top of the dashboard, it actually has some design to it. Like that. More air vents there. And you have a body color matching accent here. Also like a brushed aluminum style of accent there. We're actually against the light, so please bear with me. The steering wheel has the flat bottom. It gives you more room for your legs. Manual lighting, manual windshield wiper. It's our instrument cluster. Let me turn on the light so you see it better. Whoa, it's orange. Like that. And also, let me show you how it looks like with the whoa and the light. Okay, so we have some toggles here and there. Let's see for the right one. It changes. Oh, it even shows your fuel mileage. For this one, it's for odometer, trip A and B. So there is no tachometer. There's only a speedometer. All the other lights are also in orange. There are nothing here except for the blank buttons here and the hood release here, trunk release, and the gas cap release. The radio, this radio is a like old school manual. You can have radio USB, manual air condition with some brushed aluminum accents right there. Down here we have 12 volt, a blank, and there's a little space here. Cup holders, there are 2. This is a manual type with 5-speed. There's leather and it's hard plastic with brushed aluminum accent as well. A bit of more space here, but please do not put your coins here because they might drop inside and you might hit the jackpot. The handbrake is there and the cup holder. It is very similar with the Swift. The glove box. Alright. Okay. A sign for airbag, but there's no mirror. No mirror for the driver. Standard room mirror. There's a grab handle. There's also a contour here. A bit of styling right there. I forgot to mention, but this car has airbags for the front, for the passenger and also for the driver. Very important. And under the audio, you also have a compartment right here. And on top here, I think you can also place some pen or something on top here, or a phone. You can also put a phone here. Do I have my phone with me? Yes, like that. Now let's go to the back. Here's the door panel of the second row. There's speaker, bottle holder, door handle, manual window control, door handle as well. There's a window and another window. The step sill. Whoa, but this car has an armrest with cup holders. Okay, that's something new that I did not expect. The tunnel is here. It's a bit high. It's there. The third row person can just split their legs like that. So for this variant or this car, you have the armrest, but you don't have the headrest for the center person. So you give and take. There's a grab handle. Here's another grab handle. And the headrests for the front seats are kind of big. It kind of blocks every view, so you have to turn a bit. You have cabin light, which has been lighting the cabin very well and fantastic. Here, you have a bit of plastic situation here with some tether points. It's plastic. You can place something, but it might fall here. Alright. Let me check if these seats are actually folding forward. Let's open the trunk. And the trunk opened. This is how the trunk looks like. Bare metal with cables for the opening. Alright. And the cargo space, not so big, but yeah, you can put like 2 people inside. Just kidding. And you can also open the cover to find the donut type of spare tire. I'm just wondering where you can find the tools. Are the tools inside there? Or all the tools are here. The tools and the wheels, the spare wheel, are found here in the same place. Okay, there's a little hook here. Alright. But is there a light in here? I don't think there's a light in here. Okay, better get your phones ready to brighten up the day. Plastic cladding. It's good. Close it. Okay. Now let me show you the engine bay. So this is how the engine bay looks like. There's your engine, battery, and other things. Surprisingly, it's padded here. That's good. There you go. So this has been Ju from SoJooCars, and thank you for watching this video. This was the Dzire GA manual transmission. The Dzire comes with airbags for the driver and the passenger, for seat belts, ISO fix. It also has ABS with EBD function, brake assist function, immobilizer. Okay, it's good. So this was Ju, and thank you so much for watching the video. Congratulations to those who made it to the shout out list. I originally said 3, but many of you came in, so yeah. Thank you for watching the video, and if you are interested to buy this unit, please contact the details below in the description section. And please also follow me in Instagram, which is SoJooCars as well. Thank you for watching again, and see you in the next video.
Please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Thank you everybody. May your dreams come true.